Okay, let's look. All right, tilt it up. You can see that there's the screw and the cocoon around the outside. Okay. So now I'm gonna break this free. Okay. And underneath, it just looks pretty solid. Okay. I'm gonna put this down. Need one hand here. Now I pull this up. You can't beat it with a stick. Underneath here is, this is support material inside this little pocket. I'll just yank that out. You can see here, this part is perfect. There's no snags. There's nothing. Here's what the cocoon looks like inside there. I'll turn it around. You can see the shape. Well, you can't see nothing. This is bright yellow, but it's there. I'll try focusing in. There, you can just see the banding of where it was. See? And that's a little spittoon. Hold on.